जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी। माइंड में तो बहुत कुछ था, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, व्हाट ऑल आई शेयर। सो प्रभ डोरी हाथ तुम्हारे। जो भी बोलूँ ऑनेस्टली और सिंसेरिटी के साथ बोलूँ, दैट्स माई ओनली ओपन विश। सो दैट जय गुरु जी। The journey started. So when my first son was born 21 years ago, he was born with very severe food allergies in this country, and it was very, very hard because कुछ भी खाता था, react करता था, 911 calls, injections, EpiPens all the time. So after that, it was very difficult. 5 years later, my youngest son was born. He was born premature. He was just born with bones and skin, and that's it, nothing else. जैसे बंदर के बच्चे होते हैं, he used to look like that. Extremely hard, extremely difficult. उससे निकले. उसके 2 साल बाद my older son with severe food allergies got diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. That was my breaking point and my family's, my husband's and my breaking point कि इतना नहीं सह पा रहे. And that I wasn't connected with Guruji, but शिव जी को बचपन से मानती हूँ. So शिव जी महाराज से प्रेयर करी कि इससे ज़्यादा मत देना, मुझसे सहन नहीं होगा. I will not be able to do anything about it. And with that, the question always was कि, you know, for a parent, it's most difficult to see your child suffer. That's the biggest punishment for any parent. तो यही लगता था कि बच्चे का क्या, मेरे बड़े बच्चे का क्या होगा. ना वो खा सक, जो पहले तो खा नहीं सकता था, और जो खाता था, now he also has to measure it, and it's very hard. So I literally used to starve him कि इसकी blood sugar ना बढ़े. It was just impossible. Anyways, गुरुजी ने संभाला. At that time I got connected with बाबा शिवानंद. तो ये अकल आई कि जो हो रहा है मेरे कर्मों का नतीजा है. Once I started accepting that, things were a lot easier because I could do more for my son rather than figure out why me, why my family, why my children, all this. So anyway, so he's an excellent drummer. He's a great musician. So Guruji ने उसको बहुत opportunities दी. He was on Broadway, and at that time इसको लगता था कि कैसे, you know, 10 साल का बच्चा perform कर रहा है, and I'm outside and I can see his blood sugar in my app. How's he going to manage? So everything Guruji gave him, he gave him angels along the way, who took care of him, who were coordinating with me, so he could do so many things. And then it came time for college. Another big satsang is there. How he got into college, he's at Harvard right now, he's in 4th year. So उसका हार्वर्ड में हो गया, उसका प्रिंसटन में नहीं हुआ. So my thought was, यार गुरुजी कोलंबिया में भी कर दिया, हार्वर्ड में भी कर दिया, प्रिंसटन में कर देते तो मेरे घर के पास होता, तो मैं उसको देख पाती. Operating word being मैं, I could take care of him, right? My first mistake. Then a lot of things happened. So 2 main satsangs I want to share about that. So last semester, a lot of times when your child goes low and it's type 1 diabetes, you have an app which tells you the blood sugar. So you wake up your child saying ki, beta juice pee lo, Raghav, get up, get up, get up, Raghav, get up. You call 10 times, you ping 10 times कि वो उठ जाए, वो juice पिए, वो बहुत ज़्यादा low ना जाए. Anyways, one such incident, many such incidents happened, but one specific one where he gets up and somehow I didn't wake up, but of course Guruji was up. So he was taking care of him. He made him walk to the dining hall because it was exam time and dining halls were open. He ate something and then he calls me crying. He's just crying like uncontrollably. And I said, Raghav, kya ho gaya bacha? He says, Mama, I witnessed something. I said, how are you feeling? He says, I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling bad. I witnessed something. What did you witness? He says, I saw that there was extreme white light, like a bright white light, and I was at peace. And I could see that bright light. There's a mantra jap going on in the back. I said, what language? He says, I don't know if it was English or Hindi. I guess he meant Sanskrit, I don't know, or Latin. I do not know what it was, but it was constantly playing in my background. And I could see that white light literally replicate. It's like as if knowledge is passed on from one generation to the next, to the next, to the next. And I'm a witness to all that. And he just kept crying. He said, it was so pure, it was so pure. So my understanding from that was ki, when we are close, we come from light. When we are close to joining back that light, that's when we see this purity. So he was almost there, and Guruji sent him back. That no, you have other things to do in this life. At that time, he tried for internship. He got 3 internships in LA, none in New York. And I was like, Guruji, mere paas hota, main take kar karti. I. Again, my I doesn't go. I'm so stupid. I'm so silly. It's impossible. Anyways, goes to LA, comes back. Few weeks ago, he's gone out for ice cream with his friends. It's a vegan ice cream because egg allergies, not allergies. He touches 1 scoop with his tongue. And the whole night, he has 6 Benadryls he can't take anymore. He's vomiting, and he's in pain, and his stomach is in knots. The ice cream had cashews in it. So anyways, a lot of these things kept happening. So I think the two main things I'm sharing with you, because I think finally मुझे ये अकल आई कि वो 25 कदम दूर अपने कमरे में हो, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. वो 250 मील दूर कैम्ब्रिज में हो, आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. वो 2500 मील एलए में हो, आई स्टिल कांट डू एनीथिंग. इट्स नॉट आई. तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू. सो शुक्राना गुरुजी. आई एम स्टिल सिली, आई थिंक. मैं उसकी टेक केयर करती हूँ, बट गुरुजी हम सबकी टेक केयर करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक एक शब्द में कभी पहले सुना था कि जब कीड़े मकोड़ों की भगवान प्रोवाइड करता है, तो व्हाई नॉट हम सबको जिसने जन्म दिया है. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. माई लास्ट, एंड आई मेक इट क्विक, बाय नो सेवादार अंकल विल वांट टू स्टार्ट द लंगर प्रसाद. वाज दैट एक ड्रीम दर्शन हुए गुरुजी के. उसमें था कि like I was saying, I'm so silly, मैं ही मैं, right? So I'm driving on a very steep slope on a mountain range, and I'm driving, but I'm blind. Either I'm blind or I've been blinded. I have no idea. I can't see a thing. But then an auntie sitting next to me who I don't recognize, and I say, Auntie, can you just look out and see I'm going on the right path, because I'm not able to see anything. And I'm very confident. अपने आराम से चला रही हूँ गाड़ी, and suddenly somebody, that auntie, tells me, Pooja, you're in a free fall. Oh my God, she said that. And literally how in your dreams you can feel कि ऊपर की सांस ऊपर और नीचे की सांस नीचे, you can feel yourself having a heart attack, that okay, अब तो मैं मरी, I'm gone. And at that, it's such a vivid vision. I saw Guruji's hand take my car and literally जैसे feather के जैसे base पे रखते हैं mountain के, he kept it there, and I came out and I did Sashtang Pranam to Guruji. So again, not मैं ही मैं, तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू. Thank you, and thank you for listening with no judgment, and this is such a safe space, so I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
Jai Guruji. Thank you, Auntie. So Vishwas